Hello, and welcome to another Chi-Prime video. I'll give you a second to read the question and pause the video if you'd like to solve the problem on your own, and then we'll solve it together. All right, so let's begin. The question states that the sum of the reciprocals of two integers is 5/6 and asks us if one of the integers has to be one of the options given below. So let's call one of the integers a and the other b. So effectively, the question is saying 1 over a plus 1 over b. Remember, the reciprocal is 1 over a number, right? So 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 5/6. If we normalize the denominators like we know how to do, b plus a over ab equals 5/6. Now, this is a little bit of a tricky question. It's tricky in the sense that the expectation here might be the uninitiated student might actually look at the options here, 2 and 3, 2 or 3, and conclude that a or b has to be equal to 2, and the other one has to be equal to 3. Because when you look at it, a plus b, in this case, when a is 2 and b is 3, is equal to 5, and ab equal to 6. And this is where you could potentially make a mistake, because the question asks one of the integers has to be, and that is the key. If we look at the problem a little more closely, we will also figure out that if a is equal to -6 and b is equal to 1, these numbers also meet the condition specified, because in this case as well, -6 plus 1, which is equal to a plus b, is -5, and ab is equal to -6 times 1, which is -6, but a plus b over ab is still equal to 5 minus 5 over -6, which is equal to 5/6. So in other words, this early conclusion that someone might draw that a plus b equal to 5 and ab equal to 6 from this initial equation is misleading. A plus b could be -5 and ab could be -6. They could both share the minus sign, and in that case the ratio gets rid of the minus sign, and then you're left with the same 5/6 that you wanted to begin with. So one of the integers does not have to be 2 or 3. It could be -6 or 1 instead. So the option we need to choose here is option D. Thank you for watching.